Good day, everyone. I just want to show you some of the bags that I have made in my previous videos. This is a fancy purse that I have made before. I made two, and then I have the semicircle with tassels. It can be makeup bag or anything you want. Also made some cell phone pouches, one that has a tassel and the other one. This one is very special because I have lots of viewers who liked how I made it. And then I made this one that has ruffles on it with an oval bottom. So these days I'm into bags, and if you have watched my recent videos, I have posted 3 videos of how to make the market bags. So if you haven't watched that, you can check that out on my channel. Another cell phone pouches or makeup bag, and then the rectangular tulip purse with zipper. Okay, so if you have not watched those past videos on how to make those purses, then you can definitely browse back and check out how I made it. Maybe you might like it. This is the market bag that I've made. I made 3. So this is the first one. I don't know, the color is not showing very well on video. Yeah, but that's the real color. It's green. And then I have the one in brown. This is longer than the other one, green. And then my latest one is the market bag that has ribbons on both sides. I was planning to put in the middle, but then I realized that it is too much, so I just added 2 on the sides and maybe put some buttons in the middle. If you have watched my previous videos on how to make the market bag that is worked using double crochets, and in the corners you're going to do an increase. So if you have watched that, then you can make one of those bags in different kinds of yarns. All the yarns that I've been using in my videos are locally made in the Philippines, and most of them are unlabeled because it can be bought in the market in my place, and it's very accessible. I can just choose, and they sell it per kilogram, so I usually buy a lot of things and I sell them online. For those people who are asking about the price of the yarn, I am so sorry I couldn't mention you, but unless you will be here in my place in Baguio City, it will be very easy to find them, and you can definitely enjoy buying because it's really cheap than buying online. Obviously, when you're selling it online, it's a bit expensive because of the cost that will be added by handling and by shipping, and also you have to earn from selling it. This one is made from Indophil yarn. It's untwisted and unlabeled. I cannot tell you the dye lot of each cakes of yarn that I'm using, but you can definitely use any yarns that you like, and any hooks that you like as well. For market bags, I have used what they call a rug yarn. I'm not sure if in the US or other countries have these kinds of yarns, but I'm sure you probably do have, but I just don't know what you call it. It's a bit rough, okay, and it's quite sturdy. I'm not sure what it's made of, either polyester or cotton because I heard that when you use a cotton it would stretch, so I would prefer using acrylic yarn for making bags. But it's up to you. I think what matters is you like what you're doing and you like the yarn that you choose for the project. It doesn't have to be cotton, it doesn't have to be acrylic. Also, for the hooks, my favorite hook is, well, I don't have a lot of hooks here, and to tell you honestly, I do not like using the bamboo hooks because it doesn't slide too much in the yarn, and I don't know, I prefer the aluminum ones. So I don't have a lot, but my favorite one is number 7 hook. You can see it in my previous videos that I often use this one even for cords. And if not this one, the size 8, which is I think number 8 is equivalent to 5mm hook. So that's the one I'm always using for people who are from another countries and interested in buying yarns from the Philippines. I can hook you up with some of the yarn sellers that sells these yarns internationally. Maybe I can just put the link below if you're interested. I'm so sorry if some of you guys have been asking about the yarns that I'm using. It's incredibly cheap, but it's very difficult to ship it internationally because it's kind of expensive. But yeah, maybe in the future I'll find a way to check out which courier to pick in order to ship out some of the yarns from my country. So guys, if you haven't seen these video tutorials on how I made these purses, yeah, you can check out my channel. And to my subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing and commenting and telling me how good I am at making these purses. I'm doing all of these guys for you, and I'm sharing my ideas so that in your next project you may have ideas too on how to make these. And if you have a request about a specific bag projects that you want to see on my video, you can comment down below, and let's see if I can make it. So thank you so much and have a good day.